Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. This is not my conversation video. This is in this video I am going to tell you that how did I learn English, and many people and many of you were wanted to know that and asked me, and they were always asking me that how did you learn English, and what was that trick video you applied and you have learned this language. So please suggest us and please tell us. So I think that I should make a video related to my topic, and my topic is that if you are the student of Sarkari school and the Hindi medium, and you have completed your degrees and you have completed your education from the Hindi medium of Sarkari school, so you should not worry about that. You can also learn English definitely. This is just a language and you should not worry about that. And you don't think that I cannot learn the English. So I'm going to tell you that what should you do and what did I do for learning this language. So please be continue this video, and I'm going to tell you that you can also learn English, and definitely you can learn English 100%. So I'm going to tell you that what did I do for learn the English. First of all, I would like to tell you that I was the student of government school and the Sarkari school, where was the medium of Hindi, and I have completed my primary and middle school from my village, and you can see, you can understand, and I have told all of my video that I am also village boy, and you can understand, and we are tribal, and the education of government school and the medium of Hindi, you can understand how is the system of education, and that time when I was studying at 5-6, that time I was not able to reading the books, but I wanted to learn the English that time. I had desired, I wanted to learn this language from my childhood, but I had not environment, I had not any people at also my home who can teach me, and there was not an English teacher also, and there was not any teacher for helping me also. You can understand how did he learn English, because I am saying that I had learned this language myself. So you are thinking that how did he do this work, and what kind of difficulty he has faced while learning the English. So I am going to tell you that I said that I was the student of government school where the medium of Hindi. So my journey was starting from my childhood when I was studying a 5-6 class. That time I was thinking that how can I learn this language, and I could not understand that how can I learn without because I had not any people for helping me, and there was also not any teacher for helping me. Then I passed matric and inter. That time I was not understand that what they are speaking, and what has written in the books also. I could not translate from English from Hindi, and English Hindi from English. But I started studied the basic grammars. Okay, I studied very well the basic grammar. Apart from it, I tried to translate Hindi from English and English from Hindi. But it was not. It was not enough, because if you are learning yourself the books knowledge, but I had not communication skill, and I could not understand that what should I do, because there was no any people for helping me. Then I tried the same thing. So that time when I tried to speak English something, but I was not able to speak English because I had not confidence, and I had not a communication skill that how to talk with people in the English, and I was hesitation, and I was afraid from this language. And that time I was cannot forget that because when I was trying to speak English with someone, and it happened that I was trying to speak with somebody, my friends, and he was senior than me, and I was speaking only 2 lines. After that he said me, and he asked me a question, but I could not answer that question, their answer. I could not answer their questions, so I cannot forget that, and many people was laughing at me, and I cannot forget that day. But when I am now I am making videos in English, but when I requested him please talk with me, that he refused my proposal, and he is now not able to speaking with me. He said me that I am not able now to speak with you. So bro, you should not worry about this thing, because you can also learn English, because I have proved that. And so guys, I am going to tell you that how did I learn English, and which method I have applied for learn this language, because you are always eager to know this, and many person who want to learn English, who are beginner, and they wanted to know that how did you learn English. So I am going to tell you that which method I have applied to learn this language. First of all, that I said that I was the student of government school. So it was very challenging time for me, that you are lonely at home, and if there were not educated people at also your home, and also your school there was not teacher. So you can understand which kind of difficulty you have faced while learning the English, and that was also happening with me. So I am going to tell you that which method I applied. First thing, I was reading the books loudly at home, morning and evening, and also in the school. I was reading very loudly in English. But I said that when I was reading 5-6 that time I was not able to understand the that how to reading the books. But when I passed the matric inter, that time I was reading the books properly. And when I want to learn this language, I started the reading. First thing I did that I was reading books very loudly at home, at also myself. Whenever I was free and when I was getting time, that time I always reading the books very loudly. Second thing, which I had applied. After reading the books, I was collect that words which I had not information about that word meaning. After that, I was trying to simple sentence like a word I choose from the book, and after that I tried to make a simple sentence from that word. After that, I was trying to speaking with myself because I had not any finance. There are not any environment in my village. You can understand. So it was challenging for me that how can you practice at your home. I was practicing myself because when I was reading the books that time, and I did not understand that word. After that I choose that word, and after that I tried to make a sentence from using of this word. After that I bought a mirror, mirror is very important. And every tutor and every English speaker suggested to those people who want to learn English, and I did so that I bought a mirror from market, and I was sitting in front of mirror, and I was making sentence and simple sentence. You have to make simple sentence. It is not necessary that you have to speak 10 minutes or 20 minutes. You have speaking only sentence, simple sentence. Okay, you should not. You need consistency. Consistency is very important. You need patience. Definitely you can speak English. After that, I was using the mirror for practicing. After that, when I was free at home, I was thinking only in English. Yeah, only was English. I was thinking only in English. If you can, I always suggest to those people who want to learn English and who want to become a fluent speaker in their life. So please, if you want to learn English, that you have to follow that. If there are no finance for practice with you, that you can you can choose mirror for practicing, and you have to say something, and you need to crazy with the English words, and don't worry about the mistake. You are thinking that what will people say about the mistake, and you are thinking that you never speak English. You cannot speak English, so you should not worry about the mistake. Whatever people say, you should not worry about that. And first thing, you have to think only English word. Okay, and I did these methods. After that, it was time to communicate with the people, but there was not environment with me, so I have faced a lot of problem. After that, it's been about, if I include all the time for my journey about the learning the English, so it was about more than 1 year, because I have learned this language myself. So definitely you can speak English. You should not worry about that you are from Sarkari school and you are from Hindi medium, so don't worry about that. Definitely you can speak English. Definitely you will be speaking English very soon, but you need to consistency, you need to patience. Yeah, and practice is most important for learning the English. If you have not finance, if you have not environmental practice with you, and don't worry, there are many more apps nowadays you can use, like Skype. We are using also making video, and you will find many more people there from the all India. You can get there many more people, and you can practice with them. Yes, and you are not doing like that work, so you can practice with yourself, and please think only in English words, and make yourself crazy for English, and think only English words. Okay, whenever you are sleeping, before sleeping, you have to think only English. Yeah, definitely it works very well. After that, when you are watching videos, then you have to watch only English video with subtitle, and every day you have to remember new words, new vocab. Yeah, after that you have to practice. I always suggest those people who want to learn English and who are beginner, without practice you can't ever even speak the English. So in this video, it's open up. If you are new in my video, please subscribe my channel, and please share this video to different people who are watching English type video and English conversation video, and who had interest to learn English. So thank you so much for watching my video.